Good morning, inflatable fans. We're back at Ripon. We're doing things a little bit differently this week. We're going to have a play in that sweet spot that we found last time we were out. So I've got Mark with me, Mike, John of Rough Paddling fame, and we've got Claire turning up, who's new to our group. So we're just heading over from the car park to the to where I think we're going to have to lower the boats down manually and then inflate them by the water. Right, I've done a bit of a recce. We've got a plan. It's a lovely area, is this. So that's the road into Ripon. And that is Boroughbridge Road, this that goes around, that's that little bridge. And you can just see the sign for the car park. Right, so I'm back out with the shark pump. We're going to inflate the Seago, Aqua Spirit, Chelan, and I've got a Cirrus with me. We're going to see if we can do that with the remaining battery power. The last battery indicator has just gone. I've got 6 to do in the floor, and if there's enough, another 1 to do in each, another 1 psi to do in the tubes. Let's see if it can do it. Oh, it's gone, it's gone. The light's just flashed and it's out. Right, I think we've got enough to cope for today. So yeah, this is where we're launching from. I'm in, I've got a lot of gear tucked into the boat and I might have already got myself stuck. I'm beached already. There we go. So while the boys are out there having fun, I've been busy inflating other boats. So I've bought my 3 Packrafts with me today. Got the Biluta, the Aquaglide Expedition 85 and the Itiwit PR 500. But I'm going to go out for a play in the Cirrus first. Great thing about this little spot is we've got this nice little island to leave gear on. And I found a frisbee, so we're going to have some more fun on the water as well. Woo! It's a bit squidgy, this Cirrus today, because I've only got it partially inflated. I was having to go with the shark pump to see if I can inflate all our boats with the remaining battery power. It wasn't quite enough to do this, but it's alright. I've got 2 psi in the sides and about 4 I think it got to in the floor, so it's still alright. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit spongy today. Anyway, let's go and have a look at this. Bit of brown in that water on this side. Yeah, I haven't got a splash skirt on mine. I'm not filling my boat up.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Yeah, if I went right up to the nose.
It's good fun. The last bit you don't even paddle. It just sort of gets you and goes.
Sucks you in. Yeah.
It's brilliant. Actually,
I
have shipped a little bit of water.
There is a little run just on that side, but you've got to have. You could do it in this boat. There is a little run just down this side. You've just got to turn quick because it's blocked off. Yeah. Look at all this foam. There's a tiny little run down here. Let me come out first. Right. And you can go down here because I've already checked it out, but there's a tree in the way. So it'll take you down. But you got to turn. Whoa, and it's a little bit shallow.
Got a rock up my arse.
Right, John said we should try this bit beyond the trees, so we're gonna have a go at this bit beyond the trees. Right, let me go. It's a bit shallow in places, like this. I'm just gonna hit a rock here. Just skimmy over the top of that. Right, we're off. Big rock there, you can probably see that. Oh, I'm touching bottom, Oh, I'm stuck. I'm turning. see if we can shuffle loose. I'm just doing the old shuffle technique, see if I can get off here. I think I'm about to break free. No, I'm going to have to just kind of jump out and just squeeze myself off and then jump back in, I think. There we go, it's a little bit deeper here. Let's get back in. Camera's going all over. And we're off again. Mark's going down the Kessler run. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hey! That is fun. So all the chaps are just getting ready to do the first run, like John and Mike. I got in there, I didn't film this, but I kind of got in the boat round about there where they are now and tried to paddle up, but the water took me. So I was trying to go forwards and I ended up going backwards down that back line there underneath the trees. It is doable, it's just that you've got the trees in the way, but yeah, so that was a bit of fun. Mike's just done what I did. He's got caught in it. Yeah, he's going down. Get your paddle down. Put your paddle down. Good thing is it's not deep if you happen to fall out. That's it. Get your paddle out of the way. Just let it take you. Right, here comes Swan Dodger. Here he comes. Woohoo! Nice one. Right, so Mike's trying a different tack this time. He's actually going to get in just past where the water flows so he doesn't get swept down it. But like I say, I made the same mistake. Anyway, Mr. Ruffles, what did you think of your first kind of flowy bit?
Yeah, good fun. Liked it.
I know you did that bit on the tees, but that was quite calm compared to that.
Calm in comparison to that, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I like that. That's cool.
Yeah. This is just such a good little area, just to kind of get a feel for it, you know, for water spitting you down. I love it. Like I've said before, I am not the most experienced at this, so this for me is a good time to play and practice and feel a bit more stable. You know, you need to find little areas like this if you want to play a little bit. Right, Mike's coming down. It's the first time he's done anything like this, so there's a nice little arch in the trees, and what we're saying is you kind of come through that arch, you're kind of in line. Here he comes. Woohoo! It is Sparky once more. Oh, look at that, he aimed for me, the bugger. It's time to try this in the Itiwit PR500. I didn't mean to go directly through the trees. Woohoo! Oh, right in my face. It's weird is that it does feel, because this is narrower than those, right. it does tippy, does it? It feels tippier. Does it? It's not going anywhere. Right, so I'm in the Aquaglide Expedition 85 now. Let's give this one a go down here. I've done whitewater with this before anyway, because I did the River Loon in this trip. If you've seen the Pink Flamingo trip, you'll know the one I mean. This was where I kind of first took this boat out for its proper kind of bit of whitewater run. on the Riverloon. Right, let's do this. Yay! Nice. Right, next up, the Biluta. Now, some of you will remember this. I think it's on the other side. This is the one that I put holes in with a knife and sealed it up with tape. I've had this inflated now for about an hour while we've been fanning around. And as you can see, the patches are still doing really well. I am going to put 2 more holes in it today. I've got 2 more tapes to try, but that'll be in the next video. Right, so I'm in the Biluta. Let's give this a go. So whereas my other Packrafts are, oh, excuse me a minute, just get my leg over. Lucky me. Whilst my other Packrafts are TPU, this one is PVC. So I think you can see what we're doing here. We're just lining up with those, see those arches under the willow there? We're just kind of lining up with those and then bombing down, because that kind of takes you straight into the line. It's quite nice, really. So, down here in my most repaired boat. So good the camera fell over. Right, so I've just done a repair on this boat, 2 repairs. Let's see what it's like. Let's see if it can hold its own still. Right, so I'm going to have a little play in John Rough Paddling. He's got a new boat. It's the Seago Quebec. So I'm going to take that down there, down that little run. Let's do it. Cowboy launch. Oh my God, that nearly, it's a good job I can almost do the splits. Nearly split me fanny, did that? Oh God, I am in an armchair. He's got such a high back bloody thing in this. It's unreal. Oh, it's nice though. What the hell, it just feels stable. Enjoying yourself? Donuts!
This is the best fun ever, going nowhere.
Hey! Oh yeah, it's like that. There's Mark in the PR 500. Here's John coming down in my Packraft. Now, some of you will know I have a mighty Chelan 140 myself, and I did the Great Glen Canoe Trail with it, and I did avoid the rapids because with all the weight that I had in it, it was, and without the skeg, I had no control over manoeuvring it. So I'm going to have a go in Marks now and pop down that, just for my own sense of being able to do stuff. Right, the Chelan 140, following the Aquaglide Expedition 85. Great blue. It's like being in an ocean liner. Oh, the ocean liner of inflatable kayaks. John's just come down sideways in the Itiwit. Did you enjoy that? There's Mike coming down again. What the hell are you eating? I can't believe he's eating raw pasta and just dipping it in stuff in a jar. What the hell's in that jar? He's a proper heathen, this one. Look at that. This is a man with class. I don't know what kind of class, probably low. You can't even eat for laughing. Right, we've dined and we're heading back out for a bit more fun. Woohoo! So, John over there, he's in my Cirrus. Mikey, he's in my Aquaglide Expedition 85. I'm in the PR 500. Sparky, Marky, he's going out in the Aqua Spirit. Yeah! I got proper twagged by that. So I'm in the Aqua Spirit now. Let's take that down. These are great value for money, these. Especially considering you get a load of gubbins with them. They're well made for the dosh. I know this is going to feel pretty stable. Let's do it. Hey! You can probably tell we are just having a lot of fun today, just playing around here. Sometimes it's not about distance, it's not about doing miles, it's just about playing. Them big kids again. That's what it feels like going up and down a slide. Found this in the water today. Time to play some games. Well, that went off, didn't it? It went off at a tangent. Go on then, aim for the camera. Oh, I'm going to wrap this video up there. We've been playing about here for quite some time now, and we've had something to eat and so on. We're going to be playing about for a bit more, but it'll just be more of the same. So I'm going to wrap this up and I'm going to finish off the test on this. So that's still got the patches underneath. I'm going to go out in that a few more times and see how they've fared, because that's been in the water ever since. So yeah, thanks for watching so far. I hope you like what I'm doing on this channel. If you do, you know what to do about liking and subscribing. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, you take care of yourself. Cheerio.